Good morning. My name is Harvey Kelly. I am a husband to Sylvia and a father to Chris. I am a very supportive and a forgiving UConn football fan. I am an optimist. I am a work in progress. I am a child of God. When it comes to my faith, I tend to complicate things a bit because I don't like to share what's bothering me, and I do not very often ask for help. Yet I find that when I leave my heavy lifting in my life to Christ and stop trying to figure out everything myself, things usually have a better ending. Asylum Hill Congregational Church has been a source of comfort and inspiration in my life. An example of a source of comfort occurred after my father passed away. One day, I received a card from church in my mailbox. I was surprised to find that it was a card from the prayer ministry. This is a ministry that I had sort of knew existed, but did not fully appreciate until I received one of their prayer cards. That prayer card provided me with a sense of peace that I needed after such a loss. This wonderful church does many, many things that touches us on a regular basis and that the public sees. I have found some of its finest moments occur quietly when we are in need. A source of inspiration will sometimes be a sermon that will have a special meaning for me, maybe because of a challenge I was struggling with at the time. Or I will run into someone at church who I had not seen in a while, and in the fellowship that we'll share for a few minutes, it will renew both of our spirits. The bottom line is that I always leave saying to myself how glad I am that I came to church.